Ready? Okay, today we're gonna fix Nokia X7. It's a European version of this phone. You can see it has very bad cracked screen on it. It's still working, the LCD is still good, and you can still go to the home screen and still working fine. But it's bad, right? Alright, the first thing we have to do is take the stickers off. You're gonna have some stickers on the top and the bottom. It's just regular glue, so don't worry about it. Just take the sticker off, and then there's gonna be two screws on the bottom, and take the two stickers off from the top, which is like that on the top. Just take those off. Use a pin or a plier, whatever you can. Then there's two more screws. Take those off. Then the top part, just push it gently on the top. The piece is going to come out. Then you're going to see two more screws on two corners. And there's a flex cable right here. Be careful, that's your digitizer cable. So take the two screws off. I took this off to make it faster, to make the video faster. So just take those off. And then it's very, very simple. I've never opened a phone this beautiful before. Take the SIM slot out, take the memory slot out. It's a little tricky. Just slide it out. Then open the flex. Now there's the tricky part. You can see there's two pins on the corner. Can you see that? There's two pins on two corners. Very simple. Use a simple plier. Hold on to the pin.